Welcome to this comprehensive mastery guide. To succeed as a nurse, you must understand the active mechanics of the digestive system and how to support them. Today, we go beyond anatomy into the living physiology of patient care. It begins with mechanical power. In the mouth, the jaw provides the grinding force necessary to physically destroy food structure. This isn't just chewing, it's a strategic increase of surface area for the chemical enzymes to follow. Proper mechanical breakdown is essential for the entire process. As you grind, the salivary glands actively pump out amylase. This enzyme immediately attacks complex carbohydrates, snapping their chemical bonds to create simpler sugars. This is a common NClEX point. Carbohydrate digestion starts right here in the mouth, not the stomach. As a nurse, your priority is to assess for stomatitis or oral lesions that might impair this first step. Proper oral hygiene is critical to prevent infections and ensure the patient can maintain adequate mechanical intake for nutrition. The esophagus is far more than a tube. It uses peristalsis, a sophisticated wave-like coordination of circular and longitudinal muscles, to physically propel the food bolus into the stomach. This mechanical action is so strong, it is completely independent of gravity. In conditions like GERD, the lower esophageal sphincter fails to maintain its mechanical seal. Acid then splashes back into the esophagus, causing tissue damage. Nursing care focuses on upright positioning and dietary management to support this weak mechanical valve. The stomach is the body's mechanical engine room. It has 3 distinct muscle layers that work in different directions to churn, mix, and pummel food into a semi-liquid state called chyme. This is a violent, rhythmic, and continuous mechanical process. Chemically, the stomach uses energy-intensive proton pumps to flood the chamber with hydrochloric acid. This drops the pH to a level that can kill pathogens and begin the physical unraveling of complex protein structures for enzymatic attack. When the protective mucus barrier fails, the stomach's own acid begins to digest the organ itself, leading to peptic ulcers. Nurses must monitor for signs of GI bleeding and educate patients on avoiding irritants like NSAIDs, spicy foods, and alcohol. The duodenum is the chemical hub of the body. As acidic chyme enters, the pancreas pumps in bicarbonate to neutralize the acid, while the gallbladder contracts to deliver bile, which acts as a biological detergent to emulsify large fat droplets. The pancreas is a digestive powerhouse. It secretes a precise cocktail of enzymes designed to digest all 3 macronutrients. For nurses, monitoring for pancreatitis means assessing for severe epigastric pain that radiates to the back. Beyond digestion, the pancreas has a critical endocrine role, releasing insulin directly into the blood to manage your energy levels. Maintaining the balance between these digestive and hormonal functions is vital for metabolic health. The liver is your body's primary metabolic factory. It receives every nutrient absorbed from the gut, sorts them for storage or use, detoxifies harmful substances, and synthesizes the proteins needed for essential blood clotting. In the small intestine, the mechanics shift to massive absorption. Villi and microvilli use their expansive surface area to actively pull glucose, amino acids, and fats through their membranes and into your circulation. This is where your body actually receives its fuel. In chronic conditions like Crohn's disease, the intestinal wall becomes so inflamed that this mechanical absorption fails. Patients face severe malnutrition and dehydration. Nursing priorities include monitoring weight and supporting specialized dietary needs. The large intestine is the master of conservation. Its primary mechanic is reabsorption, pulling water and electrolytes back into the body to prevent dehydration, ensuring that the body maintains its vital fluid balance. While water is absorbed, billions of gut bacteria work to synthesize essential vitamin K, which is critical for your body's clotting system. A healthy microbiome is an active partner in your patient's overall health and recovery. The journey ends with the defecation reflex. This is an intricately controlled neural process where pressure in the rectum signals the brain, coordinating the removal of waste. Maintaining regular bowel habits is a key nursing education point. Finally, never forget the enteric nervous system, often called the body's second brain. This complex web of over 100 million neurons manages the mechanics of digestion independently of the central nervous system, proving just how sophisticated the digestive process truly is. To master the NClEX, visualize these actions: grind, propel, churn, absorb, and conserve. Understand these mechanics, and you will understand how to provide the highest quality of patient care for every patient you see. You have the knowledge and the drive to succeed. Master these processes, stay focused, and you will be an incredible nurse. I believe in you. You've got this. Thanks for watching.